Hi, and this is my Tac-Force Switchblade. I bought it from eBay and just got it in not too long ago. And it's a speedster model, whatever that means. That's what it just said, and yeah. And Tac-Force. I don't know if you see this, it's speedster model. It's very sharp. Good for stabbing people. Just kidding. But then yeah, that's how you close. There's a button right here. Close it. Spring assisted. But it's not like spring. You have to kind of like slide it open like that. It's pretty fast. Wooden handle, and yeah, I don't know what that says right there. Violence or something. But anyways, and well, yeah, there's a little thing to hold it on your pocket. Right here. And yeah. And I got this from eBay from like for $12. And yeah, it's not that expensive. $12 plus shipping, so it's like $16. Well, it depends where you live in. Yeah, it's pretty good. And yeah, see you later.